If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. My God, what a collab that we got here. Amigos, BIBI and Becky G, two iconic individuals. It's just a blessing in disguise. So they came out with Amigos with a full music video. It's 2 minutes and 42 seconds, all in 4K. I don't know what to really expect. I checked out the trailer, but I didn't really pay attention to it. So I guess we're just gonna go full in blazing. Be sure to come to our Twitch live stream later today at 5:30 p.m. PST. I'll be learning Espa's drama choreography, but link in the description. It'll be later today. If you are able to make it, come and learn with us. If not, then we could check out the VOD on Twitch, or we'll probably post it at Dre Day, which you should be subscribed to. Go subscribe to Dre Day. It's my second channel where I post other stuff that's through my streams, my life, and everything, etc. Okay, well, without further ado, let's check out BIBI, Becky G, Amigos. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, that was like just a thumbnail? It's just them staring at me? What the hell? Oh, is this some Bonnie and Clyde type of ish? Amigos. Get it. Oh, that's right. She speaks Spanish in here too. Oh, get it. And I wonder how did they ever meet? I just must not be paying attention. Hey, bring me back to my Miami days, you know what I'm saying? Okay, Becky G, what we doing with this? Oh, they planning. Ooh, hey, the fellas be like, ah, shit, look at, damn, you want some of this? Nah, bro, they don't need that. Hey, they looking though. Damn, they looking up. They. I mean, shoot, if Becky G and BIBI came to my party out of nowhere, don't know what reason, I'll be like, oh shit. Ooh. God damn, BIBI. Yeah, damn. Push me with your feet. I'm not even into feet like that, bro. But BIBI?
Becky, that could be a playground, so you can come and me play house.
Hey yo!
Neighbors downstairs ask if you're playing hopscotch.
Say that one more time.
Neighbors downstairs play house. I'm with the mola. If my gag on, neighbors downstairs ask if you're playing hopscotch.
As if downstairs we're like playing hopscotch. Hey man, you got all these menses all over y'all. Where was my invitation to like be a part of this music video? Am I not like badass looking enough? Oh, the popo! Hey, run! It's just basically about two friends that just have fun. Damn. Ooh, you are true. Okay. A collab I did not expect, but I definitely needed. BIBI, Becky G, Amigos. Hey man, to be honest, I just wanted more. I really just wanted more. I just wanted more. I was like, hey, forget the fellas. I just wanted more Becky G and BIBI. BIBI just talk Spanish in my ears. I don't even know half the words you say in Spanish, but it's okay. I'ma listen. ASMR. Becky G, what's good? How you doing? Alright, next video. We got the homie villain with Caza. This came out like 8 days ago. My boy is hella slept on, I feel. Bro, he is so talented. Y'all need to wake up and check this out, y'all. Let's check it out together. Villain, Caza. It almost sounds like Casa, like, you know, mi casa, su casa kind of thing. Like, we just came from Spanish speaking. I don't know. What's Caza? What's Caza, villain? What that mean? You tell me. Anyways, let's get into the, shall we? Caza. Oh, he is. He put the whole ass, like all that.
Somebody, nobody,
anybody? Ooh. Pop it. Whoa. Whoa, hey yo. No bijou. Woo. Ooh. Oh, the editing in here is kind of crazy too. Simple though. I like the color choices that you're wearing too. Wait. Industry for the streets. Hey yo. Woo. Oh, dinero, bro. Culo. That's the only. So I don't know why I did that. They want to be Jenny's. Whoa. Oh, what was that shot? Hey, he just vibing with that absolute. Okay, he's just in his own sanctuary, it seemed like. Oh, the way he said blanks was kind of interesting. Or sang it. For my black card. I have never owned a black card. I just realized that. You know, like those, like, what is it? Is it like a metal black card? I don't know. Every time someone like flexes on me, I just hear the clink, and I'm like, damn. Okay, your credit score must be good, I hope. What the hell is tu casa fortuna? You gold digger, I spend my money. That's legit what it stands for. I don't know if you guys can see that. I knew that. Yeah, I definitely knew that. I mean, I spent my whole life in Miami learning Spanish. I mean, hey, he feeling himself. Hey. Tiro tu dinero. Hey yo, big shout out to Villain, man. Big shout out to everybody, the MV directors, editors, executive producer, jewelry, Wally. I like that song, Wally. Wallet. That Wallin. Wallet. Check that wallet. Shout out to Villain. Next video. Alright, last but not least, we got J Park. Why? Now he been promoting like why? Like on some Owen Wilson, like why? Legend himself, man. You already know. If you know J Park, you know J Park. If you don't know J Park, then search him up. Alright, let's check out why. Why, J Park? Why? Oh shit, she crying. Damn, she got the double tears. What's wrong with you, Jay? Dang, God slapped, and he still look pretty. How the fuck you get slapped and look pretty at the same damn time? Well, that's some weird shit, bro. Like, you know damn well. Damn. How you look pretty while it's being slapped? Dang, oh, he going through it. My bad. Oh, okay, acting J Park. Oh, what the fuck is this shiny ass place? Oh. Okay, choreography on point right now. Okay, we got the English. Oh, he looking dead in my eyes. What's up? He got me. Yeah, he hit it. Ooh. Let's go. Hey. Tell him what? I don't even know. Why you hurting me? He's saying. Oh, I thought that was glasses next to him when he was laying next to him. Work. Oh, that was fire. Oh. Oh, interesting shot with the mirror shot too. It's kind of cool. Oh, he's lonely. Oh shit. Hey man, he needs you. Whoever you out. Oh shit, we're going to like. Before it's too late, for real. Ooh. Hey yo, big up to the homegirl right here. I don't know why I said homegirl like I know her, but she cried. She got them double tears, doubled up. But I sang the lyrics. Oh, this is a low key vibe. But ooh. Hey. Okay, you feeling yourself? Bye. Hey. Okay. Here right now. Ooh. Hey. Where we going with it? Ooh. And we sliding with it. Hey. And go with the J. And who's that girl? Oh, she disappearing. What the fuck? Oh, these shots are kind of interesting. Oh, he's smooth with it still. He always been though. Hey, what the fuck? He just flashed my ass, bro. I know that's not meant for me. That's meant for the ladies or anyone that's interested like that. But I just this might be a sus ass comment, bro. You got some nice ass chesticles. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I'm not trying to step, but you do be flashing it a lot, and it's not on purpose. Listen, I've been to a J Park concert. There was one point I remember he was early in his performance. Everybody's like, just take it off, and he's like, damn, it's only been 3 songs. Hey man, I feel like I've seen J Park's titties a little bit too much, but they nice. You take good care of them. Hey, where are we going with it? Sorry, that was a weird tangent. Let's focus on something. Ooh, that was a fire shot. Them in all like sleeveless black and just a black bucket hat. Oh, this shot's crazy. Ooh. Why? Hey. Ooh. Okay. I see what you're working with. Ooh. Hey. I love singing J Park though. I mean, I like all J Park. Yes, even his rap stuff too. He's still going too. Hey, get it, sir. Get it, miss. Oh, you better shake that ass. Oh. What, nobody else like to take off the shirt too? It has to be Jay? Oh, hey, he be working, bro. Hey, I really would love to see what J Park's workouts are about and like participate in it. I don't know if that's a future collab in the mix, but it seems like it'd be interesting. Oh, what is a typical day of J Park? I know that man busy. Hey, rock with it. Wait, hold on. Hey man, that was fire. Put the comments down below what you guys think of all 3 videos, BIBI and Becky G. We got Villain, Caza, then we got J Park with Y. They're all just like feeling vibey. All of them were hella vibey, to be honest. Put in the comments down below what was your favorite parts. Again, I'm going live today at 5:30 p.m. PST. I'm gonna be learning S-plus drama. You guys could participate as well and learn with me, or you could just sit there and watch me struggle and laugh. Either way, it's always a good time. All right, y'all. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. See y'all on Twitch.
Hey, you better
better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.